Hello my people, good to have you here. If you're watching my video for the first time, kindly click the subscribe button below and also click the bell button somewhere, yeah, right there. So why are we here? I'm here today because of this apartment at my back. Yeah, so if you don't know me, my name is Paul Walkway. I have sold more than 1 billion worth of real estate here in Nigeria, and I've helped so many families achieve their dream homes and also buy the right property here in Nigeria. These apartments, they are selling with payment plan, so you don't have to bring out a huge amount of money to buy property here in Independence Layout in Enugu, so you can pay small, right?
Gone are the days when Nigerians in the diaspora lose money to family members or scammers just because they send money for them to build house for them. Since the internet and YouTube took over, Nigerians in the diaspora can see the progress of their house and also have the opportunity to buy off-plan and outright. I'm one of the many Nigerians who are dedicated to solving this problem and making sure that so many families are happy because they bought from me and also they bought the good properties and land for investment across Nigeria. I present to you this wonderful opportunity, Nondon Apartments. Note that price increase will start and will take effect from 4th July 2024. So if you buy today, you're going to save 20 million naira if you could have bought next month. So how will you get started? With an initial deposit of 30%, you can secure 1 bedroom or 2 bedroom apartment and you can spread the balance within the next 6 months. Note that the rental value of this apartment will start as low as 4 million to 15 million. So what are you going to benefit if you buy from Nondon Apartments? Remember, this is a luxury apartment, so you'll be getting 5 luxury floors, elevators, fully equipped gymnasium, 5 alarm and smoke detector, salon and spa, exclusive rooftop lounge, smart AI powered suites, and many more.
So here I come to the end of this video, and I know you enjoyed the video, right? So if you're interested in securing this property, you can call me with the number somewhere on the screen. Yes, call me with the number somewhere on the screen. Let's book you for inspection. Or if you have any question you want to ask me, you can also drop it in the comment section or private WhatsApp me with the number on the screen, so we can get started. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.